Welcome! In this video, we will demonstrate how to book a collection for a removal order on the booking system. If you would like to learn more about how to create a removal order request, please view our previous video in this playlist. Let's begin. Once you've created a removal order request on your seller portal, the DC will process your order. Once this is ready, you will receive a collection notice via email. You will then have 15 days to book a collection on the booking system and pick up your order. If you fail to collect within 15 days, the DC will dispose of your stock as per terms and conditions. After receiving the collection notice via email, log into your seller portal, select Shipments, and then click on Manage Removal Orders. You will automatically land on the Ready for Pickup tab. Here you can view all the removal orders that are ready for collection. Removal orders that are highlighted in orange require an urgent booking, and those in red are bookings previously made but you have not collected on time. Select the removal order you want to create a booking for and click the Book Collection button. You will be directed to the booking system. Log in. Once you've logged in, you will be navigated to the dashboard. Click on the Book Collection icon and select Merchant Returns. Manual bookings are still available, but it is no longer needed as we have loaded all your removal orders ready for collection in the Merchant Returns menu. On this page, you can view removal orders that you can book for collection. Select the removal orders that should be included in your booking. You can consolidate your removal orders by selecting more than one removal order into a single booking, which means that you will be able to collect all your removal orders ready for pickup in a single visit to the relevant DC. Scroll down and select your preferred courier choice. If you select the I will collect in person option, you will need to fill out the following information: your full name, vehicle type, vehicle specific, how many vehicles will be arriving. Next, click on the Add Selected Collections button. Here, you can review the following booking details: your booking time slot, delivery method, the distribution center that you will be collecting from, the booking number, the total units to be collected. Please note that you will also have the option to choose another booking time slot here. Once you have reviewed all the information, click on the Confirm Booking button. On this pop-up, you can view your collection information. Click Confirm. A header will appear confirming that you have successfully booked your collection. You can click the arrow under View Details to either reschedule or cancel a booking. When you return to your seller portal and access the removal order page, you will see that your booking date and time will be shown on the Ready for Pickup tab against your removal order. You may need to refresh the page to view these updated details. Please ensure that you arrive on time to pick up your collection. If you have missed the collection pickup date, it will be shown in red and you will need to rebook the collection. Please note, if you book a collection using a preferred courier, your booking will not be considered as confirmed until the preferred courier confirms the time. Only once confirmed will the date and time be reflected on this page. It is important to take note that the removal order will continue to say booking required until the courier has chosen a booking slot on your behalf. Once your removal order has been collected, it will be displayed on your removal order page as fully collected under the Close tab. Now let's take a look at what is required when you need to pick up your collection. You will need to have 2 copies of the booking confirmation form, a valid South African identity document, driver's license card or passport. If a non-preferred courier is used, the courier must also arrive with a waybill with corresponding collection reference numbers to the booking form. Takealot can refuse to hand over stock if You fail to make it on time, you must be at the DC 30 minutes prior and no later than 15 minutes after the start of your booking slot. Incorrect or lack of paperwork or no identification. Reference numbers not matching between your booking confirmation and the waybill. If you cannot produce these upon collection, you will be rejected. For more information, view the removal order guide, which can be accessed in the seller portal via the Need Help button.